Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install Node.js on a Windows computer. Node.js is one of the most popular tools for running JavaScript outside the browser. It's commonly used for web development, backend applications, React apps, Angular projects, APIs, and many developer tools. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry, this installation process is very easy. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Node.js website, nodejs.org. On the homepage, you'll usually see two versions available. The first one is the LTS version, which means long-term support. This version is more stable and recommended for most users. The second one is the current version, which includes the latest features but may change more frequently. For most users, I recommend downloading the LTS version. Click the Windows Installer button to start downloading the setup file. Once the download is complete, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now the Node.js setup wizard will appear. Click Next. Read the license agreement, then check I accept the terms and click Next. Choose the installation location. The default location is perfectly fine for most users. Click Next. On the custom setup screen, leave everything as default. You'll notice that Node.js also installs npm automatically. npm stands for Node Package Manager. It allows you to download and manage JavaScript packages and developer tools easily. Click Next. Now you may see an option called Automatically Install the Necessary Tools. Check this option to automatically install additional tools required for some Node.js packages and development environments. Then click Next. Now click Install. The installation process will begin. This may take a few moments. Once installation is complete, click Finish. Now let's verify that Node.js is installed correctly. Open the Start menu, type cmd, and open Command Prompt. First, type this command node-v. You should see the installed Node.js version displayed on the screen. Now check npm by typing npm-v. If you see a version number here too, congratulations, Node.js and npm are successfully installed on your computer. Now you can start using Node.js for web development, React projects, back-end servers, automation tools, and much more. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.